Hello Chiefs, today I will show you how to create a bank logo in Canva. Log on to Canva, select logo icon to create a logo. Next, select the logo you want to design and drag it to Canva. Reduce the size and drag it up to create space for your new design. Go to Elements and search for Curved Triangle. There are many curves and half triangles, but just select the one I chose, just like so. Flip and adjust the triangle to give us the same shape as the logo above, and also reduce the size just like so. Select and change the color to red, then duplicate the triangle and structure it properly, to form the same shape as the logo above. Next, go to Text element and select it, then type UBA. Enlarge the text element, then click Font icon to change the text font, and then change the font to Myriad Semi-Bold. Then italics it. Next, increase the size of the text to 75.4, then drag it down to position it properly alongside the icon. Also, change the font size, and then carefully position the text and icon properly just like so. Play with it, until you are satisfied with the alignment of both elements. Next, add a subheading. Drag it down and type United Bank of Africa. Then, remove it from bold and italics it. Next, play with the text size and change the text font to Myriad Regular. Again, play with the font size and letter spacing to structure it properly. Make sure to structure it well to align well with the length of the logo. Next, select and change the color to red, then also change the color of the UBA text to red. Now select all elements and reduce the size. Drag to the right side of your design, and there you have it.